What's up guys, I'm Kira, and in today's video I'll show you how to download Wallpaper engine absolutely for free in just a few minutes. For example, after installation you'll be able to set this wallpaper or this. Actually, it doesn't matter because you can download any wallpaper from the official Steam website, and I'll show you how. But before we go to the tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to boost YouTube algorithm. So let's get started.
Kira.
Okay, to download Wallpaper engine you need to find the link in the description below. So when you're in the Google Drive page, click on this installation button and it will automatically begin downloading. Then open this zip archive using 7-zip archiver. You also can download it by the link in the description. And move to the desktop. After extracting, open the folder. And another folder. Here we are booting this launcher application. If you got an error, just click on OK. Now we can see new files. I'm going to Wallpaper 64. I suggest you to do the same, but if you know that you have a 32-bit system, just run another application accordingly. Now you can choose the settings by yourself or follow my steps. Everything is done. It's automatically started. If not, in taskbar tray we can see this icon and run with. Alright, we've opened the software, but there's nothing, and Steam Workshop isn't available. Actually, we can't fix that, but can make it another way. So we are going to browser and Steam Workshop. Here is located all existing wallpapers for Wallpaper engine. I want this. Copy the link and now we need to download. Open a new tab and type here Steam Workshop Downloader. Open the first website and paste the link. Click download. Here we go, now open the software's home directory. Go to projects, default projects. Open the file with your wallpapers. And create here a new folder, you can type any name, no matter. And move their files from an archive. Yeah, it's done. Restart the program and it will appear.
Kira.
If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for the watching.